How do wills work for inheritance? Have you ever wondered how a will actually functions when it comes to passing on your belongings? Understanding the role of a will in inheritance is essential for effective retirement estate planning. A will is a legal document that outlines how your property and assets will be distributed after your death. It allows you to specify who will receive your money, real estate, and personal items. This clarity is especially important during retirement, as it ensures your wishes are honored and can help prevent disputes among your heirs. When someone passes away with a will, the document must be submitted to a probate court. Probate is the legal process that authenticates the will and oversees the distribution of assets. To start this process, the will and a petition to open probate, along with the death certificate, are filed with the court. The court then validates the will, which might involve a hearing where interested parties can raise concerns if they believe the will is invalid. Once the will is validated, the executor named in the will takes charge. This person is often a trusted family member or an attorney. The executor has several responsibilities. They will collect and review all estate documents, including bank statements and property deeds. Creating a detailed inventory of the deceased assets is also essential. Obtaining valuations for these assets as of the date of death is important for tax purposes. The executor will also pay any outstanding bills, debts, and taxes owed by the estate. After settling these obligations, the remaining assets can be distributed to the beneficiaries as specified in the will. The length of the probate process can vary widely. It may take several months to over a year, depending on the estate's size and complexity, the number of creditors, and whether the will is contested. Beneficiaries typically receive their inheritance only after all debts and taxes have been settled. From a retirement planning perspective, having a will is vital. It ensures your estate is managed according to your preferences, reducing stress for your loved ones. You can also name an executor who will responsibly manage your estate. However, it is important to note that wills generally only cover assets owned in your name at death and do not avoid probate. For some retirees, combining a will with other estate planning tools like trusts can help avoid probate and provide more privacy and control over asset distribution. In essence, wills work by legally documenting your wishes for how your assets should be distributed after your death. They go through a court-supervised probate process to ensure those wishes are fulfilled, debts and taxes are paid, and beneficiaries receive their inheritance. Proper retirement estate planning includes having a valid will to provide clear instructions and protect your legacy.